Hello and welcome back to the Tech Gals. We're here to empower your digital dreams one click at a time. I'm Jamie and today I will show you how you can access your GoDaddy email. Let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and log into GoDaddy. I am already logged in here. Once you're logged in, you want to be in the My Products section of GoDaddy. Sometimes it loads to that screen right away. Sometimes it does not. So if you click on your name in the upper right corner, go to My Products and click on that. It will take you to the My Products screen. Okay, so once this loads, you're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to go past your domains, and then you're going to see something that says email and office. You're going to click on manage all. Once you get into this section, if you have multiple emails, it's going to want you to select which email you want to work with. If you only have one email, you will only see that email. So the first way I'm going to show you how you can get into your GoDaddy email is just by signing in directly through GoDaddy. And you do that by clicking on this right here where it says sign into email. Again, if you only have one email, your email address will be displayed right here. But because I have multiple, I have to pick which one I want to sign into. So I'm going to choose the one that I want to sign into. It's going to take me to Microsoft 365 account sign in. It's going to say, do you want to reduce the number of times you're asked to sign in? If you want to, say yes. If not, say no. Just click on it. It'll take you to the next screen. The next screen that happens is going to be your Microsoft 365 dashboard. This is the dashboard and all the tools that you get when you purchase your GoDaddy email. In the upper left corner, you're going to see 9 dots. You're going to click on that. You're going to see an application called Outlook. You're going to click on that. That is going to take you directly to your Microsoft Outlook email. It may take a second to load. Now, this is the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook, and this is the first way that you can log into your email. But as you can see, it's quite a few steps to get to your email by logging into GoDaddy, then going to email in Office, and then going into your email. So the second way and the more efficient way to get to your GoDaddy email is if you use an app on your phone, the Outlook app on your phone, or if you want to use the desktop version, which I have right here, the desktop version of Outlook. Either way. So if you don't already have Outlook download on your computer, you just go in, you download Outlook on your computer, or you download Outlook on your Apple or Android phone. But the first thing you need to do in order to have access to that on your phone is you have to set a password, because what happens is with GoDaddy, it'll automatically give you a temporary password to access your email when the email account is first created. That is why you're able to sign in immediately right here. If you want to not use GoDaddy to have to log into your email, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the password. So you're going to want to pick the email that you're working with. You're going to click on manage. Once you click on manage, it's going to bring you to the dashboard for the administrative functions of the email. This is where you manage everything. So if you want to forward your email, if you want to create an alias for your email, or even if you want to delete your email account, you can do all of that here. And just real quick, down at the bottom, this is where all the account information is, where your recovery email, your username, everything for that email. So for this purpose, you want to go ahead and click on password. So when you click on that, you're going to change your password. So you're going to put whatever password you want in here. I'm not changing my password here, so I'm just showing you where to go. So you're going to put your password. You're going to confirm your password. Down at the bottom, if you do not have a recovery email already in there, as you can see, it's required. You're going to need to add a recovery email. This is more often than not, your personal email, just somewhere where the email recovery can go if you lose your information for your GoDaddy email. Once you have all of that set, you're going to go ahead and click change password. And that's it. Once you have the password changed and the password set inside of GoDaddy, then all you got to do is go into You download the app on your phone, log in with your email and your password, and it'll probably take a couple minutes to sync up. Same thing with your computer. That's literally it. If you do not want to have multiple emails, like I said, you can always set up forwarding for your email, and then it will route to whatever email that you want it to go to. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll close out of that. For the sake of this tutorial, that is how you access your GoDaddy email. Initially through GoDaddy, change your password, then you'll be able to log in directly on Outlook, either on a computer or on a mobile device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech Gals for more tips on mastering your digital marketing tools. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions or topics that you would like us to cover, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep empowering your digital dreams one click at a time.